Cheers. Did I drop him? I dropped him for a little bit. Ah. Oh, that was fun! God, I love it. Yes! Fucking oh. Excuse the French. I love it. This bike, I'm getting more and more attuned to this bike if you didn't just work out just then. Well, the problem with this bike is once you get it above like 12 grand, it does not want to drop revs. Whatever revs you're at, it'll just sit there. It's kind of, it's something to get used to, but it's a bit of fun. So what it does is it makes you go through corners faster because you don't have any choice in the matter. You just got to. I dab the brakes. I probably hit them harder than what I should, but it makes the tyres dig in, and it corrects my speed very quickly. Because once I'm in the top revs, I don't know what it is about this bike. That could be the small pistons. It just does not want to drop revs. But this bike is so much fun. It's so flickable. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Enjoy the upload. I mean, it was a short upload. It wasn't a super fast road. I had that stupid car in front of me. But, you know, no excuses.